Yes, so first of all, you need to know the concept of serialization. So what is serialization? What is track and trace? Why? What are the difference between serialization and track and trace? Because some companies, they only do serialization, others do full serialization and track and trace. So first you need to understand this process. This is a general process. How serialization happen at manufacturing, what I need for serialization, like I need serial numbers, I need to print them, I need to scan them and store them. Then similarly, you need to know what needs to be done on track and trace. What is track and trace basically? Yes, for example, track and trace is nothing. Just when a pallet is created or a box is created, you put a tag on that box, or you travel with that box and see what happens to the box until it reaches the consumer. This is track and trace. Capturing all the information, storing it, and then have the possibility to track it backwards. This is track and trace. Similarly, when you understand this, then you need to implement this. And for the implementation of this, you need to know the GS1 standards. Or if you are in an industry where you want to define your own standards, then you need to know those standards. Because those are the keys where every stakeholder in your supply chain will talk those standards, and that is what will make systems to talk to each other. It's same like ISO codes. Yes, ISO codes allow systems to talk to each other. So that's why it is important to first have the process knowledge. Simply, what is serialization, what is track and trace, what is required for me to implement that, and then to have understanding of the standards which you are going to use to implement them. This is the first part, to set the understanding of what is serialization and what are the GS1 standard or other standards. Then you need to know how you can implement this, how you can define your project, how you can define your program, what are the different stakeholders, what it takes, impact analysis, you need to have an as is and to be done. So you need to see what are the impacts area, change management you need to introduce very soon, because this impacts people. Yes, track and trace is, you can have a very good state-of-art track and trace system implemented, but if the people are not doing things correctly, it will not work. Any system it goes for. Yes, so you have to have your change management introduced quite early, so people are also getting habitual what is coming, learning, and then doing the right operations.